OnestopMining, founded in 2017, is a one-stop mining solution service provider. We focus on providing high-quality and efficient mining solutions. Whether you need brand new and used miners, mining rigs, power supplies, miner accessories or operating, repairing, mining farm devices, mining farm design, mining hosting service, you will receive the most professional and timely response at OnestopMining. Our global distribution and maintenance services. Our warehouses are located in Chengdu, Shenzhen, Hong Kong in China, Houston in the United States, Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, and Astana in Kazakhstan. Each warehouse is also supported by maintenance team, providing localized after-sales service. In 2017 to 2019, one of the largest mining hosting service providers in the world hosted 300 megawatt miners for overseas customers. In 2019, established power supply factory in Shenzhen. In 2020, start export trade business. In 2021, start mining farm construction in Kazakhstan and USA. In 2022, research and development hardware overlocking products and overlocking power supplies. OnestopMining, your trusted mining service partner, looks forward to working with you.